Welcome to UC Tech Chat. I'm Julie Webb, and today we're going to be talking with Jason Mefford about the benefits of selecting future-proof technology solutions. Hi, Jason.
Hey, Julie.
How are you doing?
Doing great.
Fabulous. So what does future-proofing mean?
Future-proofing really applies to all technologies. It's really thinking about how do you pick a solution or a technology that's going to grow and scale with your business.
So future-proofing doesn't really, the expiration date, it can be 6 months, a year, 2 years.
Exactly. Yeah, you think, the traditional phone systems of past were more rip and replace. You buy one, deploy it, you get 8 years, and you buy a new one. That mentality is going away in the technology world.
So Jason, give me a few things that customers should consider when they are choosing a future-proof vendor.
So in keeping with the phone system example, a couple of things to consider is deployment options. You want to know you can deploy in the cloud, on premises, and have mobility options as well, because distributed workforces are very common in today's world. A software-based solution a lot of times can scale better than a traditional fixed port hardware solution. You also want hardware migration options so that if you need a new server, you can migrate to different platforms. All features included is going to be important, and then be able to integrate with various applications over time as your business needs change. Those are probably the top 5.
So of the 5 that you just gave us, what are the top 2 that people should keep in mind?
Yeah, the top 2 I would probably say is going to be that deployment option with the increase in distributed workforce where people have people all over the globe, as well as the growth and adoption of cloud. We're seeing a huge increase there, and so having multiple options that can fit the cost and deployment needs, having those different options is essential. And then all features included. When you make your purchase, you want to know that when your needs change in 6 months, you're not going to have to go get an add-on that's going to cost money for call center features and call recording and monitor whisper barge and reporting and all the things that some vendors may charge extra for.
So how does a future-proof solution impact total cost of ownership, or TCO, as some folks might have heard it called?
Yeah, that's one of the things we have to walk our customers through, because they need to think about the implications for that 6-month, 2-year,
Right.
and 5-year period down the road. So thinking about what the cost would be when your business changes and you need to add call center functionality. You don't want to know that I just put a ton of money to invest in this phone system, and now I got to go pay this 20% upcharge for call center features. You want to know those things are included. So it's thinking about the entire cost of add-on and growth for the 6-month, 2-year, 5-year, 8-year periods. 2, when you think about you start a small business and you have 30 users, you may grow to 60 users, and you want to know that I'm not going to have to rip and replace this solution. I need to be able to scale it with minimal investment, and those are big considerations for customers.
Terrific. Well, Jason, it's always a pleasure.
Enjoyed it.
And I thank you for being here and telling us about future-proof and how it pertains to business phone systems. So thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us for UC Tech Chat, and we look forward to seeing you next time.